Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you all step by step how I installed and styled this wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this unit is from UNice Hair. They sent me their 13x4 honey blonde ombre highlighted lace front wig in 22 inches. Okay, so now I'm just showing you how the wig looked once I removed it from the bag. And I just want to say that my camera is picking up more of a reddish tone, but it's not as red. I will be inserting photos throughout the video, pictures that I took with my phone. So here I'm just showing you how the wig looked. Like with the middle part, but I did not want a middle part this time. I wanted a side part. So I did bleach the knots to my liking, and I'm just showing you all how it looked once it air dried. And I also added a little makeup inside of the wig, so I'm just showing you all that. So now I'm just getting ready, like I'm prepping the wig because I will be using some of my lace glue this time. I'm just pushing everything back and I'm just aligning the wig, to my liking. So this wig fit me like perfectly, so I didn't have to cut like my ear tabs or anything like that. So the first thing I'm going to do is just remove that extra lace that's on the side of my ear so everything can just lay flat. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take some alcohol and remove any makeup that I may have on my skin. And then I'm taking my skin protector and I'm going to spray that on my hairline, and then I'm just going to wait for that to air dry. So today I'm going to be using my Meltdown Extreme Lace Glue. This is my clear lace glue. And please excuse my hands. My hands was like oily. I don't know why, but the bottle kept on slipping. So that's why I'm holding it like that. Oh, I just want to make a little disclaimer right quick. So as you can see, I did like the little ball cap method this time, and I'm applying the glue to like the ball cap, but I see a little of my little hair sticking out and some of the glue got on it. And I just want to let you guys know, do not put this glue in your hair. Try your best not to, but if you do, just make sure that you remove your wig properly. So now I'm just taking my popsicle stick and I'm just going to spread it out. So after my first layer is tacky, I'm going to apply the second layer, and I'm just showing you how I use the brush this time instead of the popsicle stick. So here I'm just testing to see if it's ready. So as you can see, like when I tapped it, like it wasn't stringy or anything. Like that's when I know that it's time for me to apply my lace. And I'm making sure I apply my lace like in front of the glue. So now I'm just sectioning off the hair that I will be cutting once I start cutting the lace.
Fun beats.
And then I'm taking my regular Meltdown lace glue and I'm just going to apply that in the areas where I missed. So here I'm just taking my tweezers and I am thinning out the hairline just a little. I wear my wigs every day, so I really don't like to pluck too much of my hairline. Like sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't, because like I said, like I wear wigs every day and I want them to last. So I try not to pluck the hairline as much. I just try to get it, you know, a little natural looking for me to wear. Then I'm taking some hair out so I can create like a few little baby hairs in the front. And after that, I just tied my hair down. I went to do my makeup and this is how it looked. And I did do my baby hair off camera. So I'm just cutting a few layers in the front just to frame my face. And at this point, I really didn't know if I wanted to wear straight or curly. So I'm just going to show you guys like how it looked straight. But then I decided to add a few curls. So that's what I'm doing. That I didn't have to color this hair, it came colored already, so that is a plus.
Fun beats.
So yeah, so this is the final look. I'm going to insert all the information down below in the description bar so you can check them out. So drop a comment down below letting me know if you like this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you dolls next time. Bye bye.
Fun beats. hair.